In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jira to TestRail, a crucial integration for enhancing your project management and testing workflows. Integrating these two platforms allows seamless communication between your testing and project management processes, making your workflow more efficient and effective. Let's dive in and get you all set up. The first thing you'll want to do is open Jira and look towards the left sidebar where you'll find the Apps option. Go ahead and click on that. This section in Jira is the gateway to various extensions and add-ons that can be integrated into your instance, making your tasks more interconnected and streamlined. In the Apps section, look for the option that says Explore More Apps. This is where Jira offers a range of add-ons that can expand the capabilities of your existing setup. Clicking on this will take you to the Atlassian Marketplace, where you can browse through a wide selection of plugins designed to enhance your Jira experience. Here, using the search bar, type in TestRail. This will bring up a list of relevant plugins. Each plugin varies subtly, tailored to meet different integration preferences or requirements, so feel free to take a moment here to review the options available. You will see several plugins specifically designed to connect TestRail to Jira. Once you find a plugin that suits your needs, click on it to install it. The installation process should be straightforward, as most plugins come with a guided setup that walks you through the necessary steps to establish the connection between TestRail and Jira. Ensure you follow the plugin's connection process carefully, as this will typically involve authorizing the integration and possibly inputting some credentials to allow the platforms to communicate. Once installation and connection are complete, you should now have a working integration between Jira and TestRail. This will enable seamless updates of test results back into Jira, providing your team with increased transparency and efficiency in handling test cases and tracking issues. That's all there is to it. You've successfully connected Jira to TestRail, and you're now ready to take full advantage of this integration. This new setup should help you and your team to easily manage your test cases within TestRail, while keeping track of your project progress in Jira. Enjoy the newfound synergy between these two powerful tools. Be sure to regularly check for updates on your plugin to ensure everything continues to run smoothly, and keep an eye out for any new features that might enhance your use even further. Thanks for watching, and happy testing.